All right, so what we just did is we learned how to go ahead and loop infinitely in a Windows batch file, then find if a program is running, and then if it wasn't running to relaunch it. And now we're going to do all of those exact same things again in Linux. So let's just go over to our remote console where I have a Google Cloud Platform Linux instance running at all times, which is much more powerful than my PC. We'll open a new file instead of working on one of my bots. And then we're going to go ahead and look to see how to infinite while in bash. Infinite while. Like this. This is also going to teach us how to sleep. Infinite while. And we'll make a new folder. Call it YouTube. Even though we're going to publish this on Libri first. And we'll go into one of our handy terminals, and we're gonna make that an executable file. Bash.sh. And every second it's gonna go ahead and output hello world. So the next thing we want to do is check if process is running bash. And we'd much rather use bash. And that's not going to work for our needs, I don't think. I want it in bash. Like so. Oops. Wow, I'd rather you show me how to do it properly and let me copy it. Like so. So I don't know if I have Nginx on this machine. Let's find out. Right. What's another process that we can use? So I do have a node process running, but I don't really want to kill that. I also have a Python 3.7 process running. I don't have a Python process running. So if I run this, go into a new terminal, and start Python. Aha, now it's running. So that's good. Now if it's not running, I want to launch that process in the background. Bash launch process in the background. Actually, I know how to do that. We can just use no hop. Now if I do sudo, whoops, exit and control D. So it should only do our no hop command once. So Python needs to run a file. Let's echo. Python needs to run a file that's going to loop. While true. Print. Hello, world. Python app.py. Thanks for trying Sublime Text. Python app.py. Now this should run in a loop. And now it's running. And now if I sudo kill all Python, we should see it output to nohop.out again. Ta-da! And now if I check tail nohop, it's going to show us hello world. And then we also killed it at one point by killing our bash script, which was controlling that process. So that's how to do an infinite while loop and check for running process and start that process if it doesn't exist, and also how to create a simple while loop in Python that we had to do for the purpose of that presentation. Alrighty, thank you.